Yeah. We're coming awful close to the shore here, but
Yeah.
oh, right, yeah. Let's fight like a mother. Come on,
Nice bass. Oh, nice bass. Barely hooked.
with the frickin' Barbie rod. That Barbie rod there, Barbie rod. Yowie!
Got one in the boat.
With Barbie rod. No, that wasn't Barbie rod. Trying to give the Barbie rod credit. Pretty sad. Hey man, we'll let go of that. Alright, we got her out of there. That's our first bass of the day there, Dave.
Nice two-pound bass.
Yeah, it's feeling happy. I love it. I like the bass. Go back in the water. Going down deep. Alright, one in the boat. Took a while, man. We hit Lunker Corner first. No luck. Came over here into the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald Cove. Dave's working the worm. That felt good.